In this exercise, participants are engaged in a joint venture negotiation between two companies located in two different countries. The two companies come from vastly different national cultures and quite different policies, ideologies, government involvement, and financial systems. Like all our exercises in the course, this one asks participants to engage in an actual negotiation as representatives of the two companies.
The exercise is based on a real negotiation between two companies, which makes it actually more exciting because the participants get to compare their negotiated outcome with what actually happened in the real world.
Participants are divided into two teams representing the two companies and, given the complexity of the case, have ample time to prepare ahead of the simulated negotiation. The exercise shows participants how important it is to understand national context when negotiating with a counterparty from a different country, and also how quickly negotiations can unravel when parties do not pay attention to national contexts.
Negotiators cannot place value on whose context or culture is better or worse. The parties need to learn not to argue which systems, structures, assumptions, etc. are right or wrong. Both teams can gain insight from this exercise by looking for concessions that are important to the other side but do not cost them much.